In today's video, we're going to take a look at the March 2020 TacPack. I'm excited about this one. That's what's coming up next here on Survival on Purpose. Welcome back to Survival on Purpose, your home for trustworthy information and gear reviews related to camping, survival, and general preparedness for regular folks. My name's Brian. Thanks for joining me. So the folks at TacPack were kind enough to send me their March 2020 monthly subscription box so I can show it to you. And that's what we're going to do right after this word from one of our sponsors. This video is sponsored by Big Daddy Unlimited. Big Daddy Unlimited is a membership-based buyers club, and as a member, you have the ability to buy pretty much anything you can think of related to guns and ammo and shooting at wholesale pricing. And right now you can get a 30-day trial membership for 99 cents a month. After that, it's $10 a month, and that's going to allow you to buy guns, ammo, shooting supplies, knives, tactical gear, just again all sorts of things at a huge discount. If you buy very much at all, you're going to more than pay for your $10 a month. So anyway, I'm a member and it's definitely saving me money. I'll put a link in the description below. You can go check them out for the first month for just 99 cents. See if you think it's going to be a good deal for you. I know for me it was. Okay, we are back. So with no further ado, let's just jump in here and see what we've got. So we've got a little sheet every month telling you what's in the box. And man, there's something in here that I'm really excited about. And I'm going to save the best for last. So first of all, let me just put you down. So in no particular order, first item here is some Eagle Grit USA made mechanics hand cleaner. Made in the USA, some mechanics hand cleaner, so I can always use that. I guess it works for plumbers too, right? Next is just a little handy notebook in the grid, so you can draw some, you can kind of draw diagrams or whatever you need to draw, maps or make notes. From the folks at Super Essie Straps, and they even threw in a little wooden kindling card that you can use to shave to make some kindling. So that's pretty cool, just a handy little deal to have there. And then next item is a CRKT Eaton Tool Titanium, which is a cool item. These are very handy to have. You can clip them on to your back or whatever. They just very, very useful to have for camping and eating and whatever. I just like to just keep one of these in my truck. So if I forget to get a spoon or a fork or something, if I'm eating fast food, I've got something there. Next item is a knife from the folks at Bastion, and features a reversible tip-up pocket clip, which I like that. Little lanyard hole, G10 handles, and it's a very nice flipper style knife, and that sucker is smooth. Liner lock also. So there's that. And then finally, this is the one I'm excited about. I'm telling you, this thing absolutely rocks. It's the APS reaction rod. And if you're not familiar with what this is, I'm just going to open this thing up and show you. This spline here is designed to fit into the chamber notches for an AR-15 rifle. And it's got two flats back here to fit into a vise. So you take your receiver apart, you run this in from the back where your bolt and charging handle goes, clamp that in a vise, and it holds it nice and steady. For me, I've been wanting to buy one of these from another company for a little while, and they were like $100. And I wanted it because it was recommended to me by one of the guys at OSS Suppressors for the best tool he had ever found to change out the flash hider on the front of the barrel. So you don't really have to worry about putting any stress at all on the connection between the barrel and your receiver, because this is right on the barrel. Everything is right there. And it makes it really, really simple. So that is pretty stinking cool there. And I'm really, 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 really excited about that, because I've been needing one of those. Although I got to say, the knife's pretty cool too. Okay, well that was a quick look at the March 2020 TacPack. And like I try to do when I do these videos is pick up one or two items which I think are my favorite. This month, hands down, no question, it's the AR-15 receiver rod from APS Inc. And like I said, I've been wanting to get one of these for a little while. One of these tools was recommended to me by the guys at OSS Suppressors for changing out taking the flash hider off and putting the suppressor adapter on. But they're handy for so many things, and they just make it really, really simple to work on an AR-15. So anyway, I actually like everything in this box, but this is what really put a smile on my face. So anyway, I hope this has been helpful. Once again, thanks to the folks at TacPack for sending me these boxes so I can show them to you. And if you're interested in checking it out further, remember, you can use the coupon code PURPOSE, all lowercase, with your first box. You get a free mystery box. So anyway, I hope this has been helpful. As always, thanks for watching Survival on Purpose. I put out a new video every Friday and Saturday, sometimes random videos like this one throughout the week. If you want to make sure you don't miss a single one, I invite you to subscribe to my weekly email newsletter at survivalonpurpose.com/subscribe. I really appreciate the support. Once again, my name's Brian. You're watching Survival on Purpose. Remember, survival's not an accident, so be prepared. I'll see you next time.